production, you guys have seen multiple pallets being auto-ejected out of the press using our Automatic Pallet Replacement System. The first pallet that came out of the press was picked up from our integrated robotics, Movigo, which took it from the stacker, delivered it over to its next finishing device. In our case, the Ballman Perfecta cutter. Now, this is where we start thinking about beyond the press. As we have pallet after pallet coming out of the press is printing non-stop. It's handling everything for you. You're loading papers as you go, maximizing the job queue. But now we can start thinking about using automation such as direct to finish, where every time a job is printed, the cutting plan comes over directly to our cutter. Allows an operator to scan in a barcode on the top of that job sheet. Pops up on screen with a thumbnail. They start the job and it's going to walk them through each cut step by step. You need to have the confidence that the press and the cutting is going to be correct. The operator, whether they're used a cutter before or they're new to cutting, also needs that confidence. And direct to finish is going to walk them through each part of that and give them the accuracy that they need.